Welcome to a step-by-step tutorial on how to get a wholesaler license in California. So the first step is to simply determine the type of license you need. California offers several options including general wholesaler, limited wholesaler, and more. So consider the nature of your business and the products you'll be handling to choose the appropriate license. And once you've chosen the license type, you can then search the specific requirements. This includes gathering information about necessary permits, certifications, and any local regulations that may apply. And once that's all done, you can then gather the necessary information for your application. So you need details about your business name, address, owner's information, and financial details. So carefully complete the application forms provided by the licensing authority. And you can usually submit the application in person, by mail, or online. And you then have to wait for approval. So the processing time for your application may vary. So make sure to stay updated on the status by contacting the licensing authority. And once your application is approved, you then receive your license. So this may be a physical copy or an electronic notification. So make sure to activate the license if necessary. So that's how to simply get a wholesaler license in California. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.